In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Odoo. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own Odoo account without getting overwhelmed. Creating an invoice in Odoo is a straightforward process, and once you understand where everything is, it only takes a moment to do. To begin, open Odoo and go to the Accounting module. This is where you manage your financial activities, including customer billing, payments, and reporting. Once you're inside Accounting, look at the top navigation bar and click on Customers. This section is specifically designed for customer-related accounting actions, so it's the right place to start when you want to bill a client. After clicking Customers, select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices page where you can view any existing invoices and manage new ones. If you've already created invoices before, you'll likely see a list here. If not, don't worry, this is still the correct screen for getting started. Now click New to create a new invoice. Odoo will open a blank invoice form for you. This is where you'll enter the invoice information. Take your time here and make sure the details are accurate. Typically, this includes the customer information, the products or services being billed, quantities, prices, and any other relevant fields shown on the form. Entering complete and correct information at this stage helps avoid mistakes later and makes your invoicing process much smoother. Once you've entered the details, save the invoice. Saving confirms the information you've added and stores the invoice in the system. This is an important step, especially if you want to review the invoice before sending it or continue working on it later. After you save, your invoice has officially been created in Odoo, and that's it. As you can see, the process is very quick. Go to Accounting, open Customers, choose Invoices, click New, enter the details, and save. If you're new to Odoo, it's a good idea to double-check the invoice before moving on, just to make sure everything looks correct. With a little practice, creating invoices will become a routine part of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to create an invoice in Odoo clearly and confidently.